Hello everyone, myself Gokulnath, and today we'll see about how to form a habit and do it consistently for our long-term growth. We as a human, we are already doing some habits as part of our day-to-day life. So, for example, if you are a software engineer, you will be writing a piece of code. That piece of code acts as your habit. Or if you are a singer, you will be singing a song or snippet of a song that will act as your habits. So we know habits are part of our day-to-day life inherently, and also we know if we change our habits or add new habits as part of our day-to-day life, our life will be improved. But what stops us from changing our habit or adding a new habit as part of our existing life? So human mind is predetermined to do some specific tasks on a day-to-day life basis. Human mind psychologically will not accept a change or addition of new habit into our day-to-day life. Why? Because human mind is an emotional mind. Will not expect the mind to work like a computer where you program a piece of code and the logic works out in favor of you. So rather, human mind, to program a human mind, we need to seed an idea or habit repeatedly, rigorously, and iteratively so many times, such that one fine day, a magic happens. You will be end up in doing an idea or a habit or what you wanted to do without even you are aware of that you are doing a particular task. So how do we achieve this? Achieving this involves only three basic steps. Three basic steps in the sense it is basically an answer to three different sets of questions. The first step or the first question is what and why. Why in the sense, why is your goal? So why do you want to change a habit? So for example, if I want to be a healthier or fittest person, that will be my goal. So to achieve that, what habit I want to map it as part of my day-to-day life to achieve this goal. So here comes what. So in order to be fit, what kind of habit I can intercept in my day-to-day life, and I do it for a prolonged period of time so that I can achieve my goal. So it could be walking for 10 minutes, running for 10 minutes, or going for exercise for 10 minutes. It could be any habit that you can map to your long-term goal and follow it consistently. But here the trick comes whenever you start a habit, it should be very simple to achievable in the sense it should be achievable even by a 5th grade student. So if you bring some drastic change in your habit, for example working out 2 hours per day, you will be demotivated with no time and you will not be doing that habit at all. So doing small simple habit on a day-to-day basis over a period of long time will provide a drastic improvement to your lifestyle rather than involving a drastic change of habits. So this answers our very first step, what and why. The next question is when and where. This is also very important. So where you are going to do and at what time you are going to do. Where in the sense which location. So defining a location is also very important. It should be such that the place where you are frequently visiting. For example, if you want to cultivate a reading habit, you should basically set up in your personal room. So whenever you go to the room, you will automatically reminded about that habit. and also at what time that you are going to do that habit. Of course, you will be in a free time, like in your early morning hours or late night hours. You will have more sufficient time, so that it will be easy to intercept as part of your daily routine without any interference with your existing habits. So when and where is also very important. This answers our second part. The third part is how. Is there a way to efficiently add or change a new habit to our existing lifestyle? Yes, we have. For example, uh, we have we may be already following some habits, like drinking a tea or coffee in the morning may be a habit. What we can do, we can link our new habit with our old habit. So old habit is drinking a tea or coffee. New habit may be reading a newspaper. Like whenever I do habit A, which is an old habit, I will be doing a habit B, which is a new habit, which immediately follows A. For example, I am drinking a tea. After drinking a tea, I will be reminded about habit B, which is reading a newspaper. So drinking a tea will act as a signal to my mind, so that after drinking tea, it should be immediately followed by drinking. It will be immediately followed by reading a newspaper. So that's how you can link or couple your new habits to our existing old habits, so that it will be easier for your mind to follow easy to follow or remember for a long term effects. So these are all very simple steps. These are very simple steps, but very not very easy to follow in a consistent manner. So we have to do it repeatedly and iteratively for our long-term success. All these steps were referenced from James Clear's Atomic Habits books, and as James Clear mentioned, if we improve ourselves 1% each day of whatever skill we wanted to improve, by end of the year, like after 365 days, we will be improved by 37% of where we have started. So that's how the compounding works. So compounding works not only in investing, but it works in our habitual change as well. So that's all, and thanks for watching, and hope everyone liked this video. Keep supporting us, and hope we will be coming up with more engaging contents. Goodbye.